Good morning, students. Sairam. Let us do the revision of grammar, lesson number 9, punctuations and capital letters. Now, children, we'll just take a quick recap of what are punctuations and capital letters. What do you mean by that? Now, punctuation marks are used to make the sentence more expressive and meaningful. So, when you add punctuation marks to sentences, it gives more meaning to that sentence. It makes more expressive. That sentence becomes more expressive. So, punctuation marks, without punctuation marks, any sentence is incomplete. A sentence cannot be completed without a punctuation mark. In short, a sentence will have no meaning without a punctuation mark. So, what are punctuation marks? They are like full stop, comma, question mark, exclamatory mark, open inverted comma, single open inverted comma, close inverted comma, and many more. So, these are the punctuation marks which are used while writing sentences and they add meaning to it. See, when I say, suppose, what is your name? What is your name? Just if I read, and if there is a question mark in front of that, then how I will read that? What is your name? That means I am asking you a question. Indirectly, when we see the question mark, we come to know that this sentence is asking question. So that is, it is adding meaning to the sentence. Okay. And if I say, what a lovely shot, if I just read it like that without punctuation mark, but if there is an exclamatory mark in front of that sentence, what a lovely shot, so that means I am expressing that sentence, I am giving meaning to that sentence. So have you understood what are punctuation marks? Punctuation marks add meaning, means it adds expression to the sentences. And without punctuation marks, sentences are incomplete. They do not have any meaning. Okay. Now we'll see few examples. We'll solve few examples of punctuations and capital letters too. Now we all know, we have studied it from junior KG, senior KG teacher always be telling, begin the sentence with a capital letter, means first letter should be capital. All the teachers in the small grades, when you are in junior, senior, first standard, second standard, she always be telling this, that write the first letter as capital letter, begin the sentence with a capital letter. So this is what, where to use capital letters, and where capital letters are used. Capital letters are used for proper nouns, that is name of person and name of place. Okay, so there, wherever it is, if even if it is in between the sentence, we use a punctuation, we use a capital letter. And the letter I is always written capital, whether it is at the beginning or end or anywhere in between the sentence, I is always written in capital letter. Is that clear? Now let us solve few examples. Look at the first one. Oh God, help the children. Now this is the question given. We have to punctuate the following, this sentence. Now can you see that O, the first letter itself, is not in capital letter. That O word has to be capital. So this is one correction. Next, God. Can you see G? God is always the G, God. When we write God, in that the G is always written in capital, because God is a proper noun. Okay, like it is a proper noun. So G is always written in capital, whether it is beginning, middle, or end, it is always written in capital. Then these two, and then help the children. Oh God is a expression. So here what should come? Your exclamatory mark should come. Okay, oh God, then exclamatory mark, help the children. Now this H should come in capital letter. After the exclamation mark, the sentence always begins with a capital letter. So H should come in capital letter. Help the children, and there full stop. Okay, so oh god, exclamation mark. See how many punctuations are there in just one sentence. Did you get it? Now look at the answer. See, oh god, exclamation mark, help the children. Okay, have you understood? Now we'll go to the second one. When will you leave for Delhi? Okay, now this is your second. We have to punctuate this sentence. Now W, first letter capital. Okay, when will you leave for Delhi? Delhi is a name of place, so D should be again capital. And when will you leave for Delhi? It is a question, so here a question mark should come. Have you understood? So three punctuations in one sentence. First one is capital letter. Then again Delhi, D is a proper noun. Delhi is a proper noun, so D should come in capital letter. And at the end of question mark should come because it is a question. It is asking a question. So we'll see the answer. See, when will you leave? When will you leave for Delhi? Okay. So did you get it? Now next one. Third one. What a lovely shot. Now here, what are the punctuations? Again, first letter should be capital. It is W should be capital. What a lovely shot. And then it is expressing an incident. So here exclamation mark should come. So what a lovely shot. So two punctuation marks in this sentence. Okay. So we'll see the answer. What a lovely shot, exclamation mark. Did you get it now? Now let us move on to the fourth one. It is my sister's book. Now here, what is the punctuation marks? Where we will put punctuation marks, we'll see that. This is I will come in capital. Okay. It is my sister's book. Your apostrophe S will come. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I capital, your apostrophe S, and it is my sister's book. Is it a question or a simple sentence? It is a simple sentence. So you'll just add a full stop in front of it. Okay, it is my sister's book. So again, three punctuation marks in this sentence. We'll see the answer. See, it is my sister's book, full stop. Did you see that? It, I capital, then apostrophe S for sisters, and book, and after that full stop. Now move on to the next, fifth one. They say honesty is the best policy. Now children, be careful at these sentences. Honesty is the best policy is a proverb. Okay, it is a proverb, and proverb always are written in inverted commas. Okay, so here punctuation marks will be first letter, obviously a capital letter, that is T will come capital. They say, after say a comma will come. Okay, and this H will come capital with the open inverted comma, and again an open close inverted comma at the end. So there are four punctuation marks in this sentence. Let us see the answer. See, like that. They say comma, open inverted comma, and the proverb, that is honesty is the best policy, in inverted commas. Okay, did you get it? So you should be careful with such type of sentences when it is a proverb, and where you have to put commas and how you have to write, you should be very careful. So you need practice. Okay. Sixth one, hurrah, we have won the match. Okay, now your hurrah is an expression, a feeling of joy. So hurrah, after hurrah you will give a exclamation mark. Okay, hurrah, we have won the match. This W will come in capital letter. As I told you, after the exclamation mark, the sentence starts with a capital letter. So W will come in capital. Have won the match, and your full stop. Okay, So 3 punctuation marks in this sentence. We'll see the answer. Hurrah, exclamation mark, W capital, we have won the match, full stop. Have you understood? Now, next one, 7th one. Reena goes to school. Now here, Reena is a name of a girl or a lady, whatever it is. Now Reena goes to school means she's a girl, a small girl. So R, the name R letter, it's gone back. So the R letter will come in capital because it is a name of a person. It is a proper noun. So Reena goes to school. It is a simple sentence. Full stop at the end. So 2 punctuation marks here. So we'll look at the answer. Reena goes to school. R in capital, and at the end of the sentence a full stop is there. Okay. Now next one. 8th one. Rohan reads, writes and plays. Now Rohan is a name of a boy. So again R will be capital. Okay. R will be capital. Reads, writes and plays are 3 activities mentioned. But after each activity there should be a comma. So after reads you will give one comma. Writes and plays. Okay, and is there. So you did not, only after reads and writes, between reads and writes you will give a comma. And at the end of the sentence you will give a full stop. So 3 punctuation marks here. So look at the answer. Rohan reads, writes and plays. Is that clear? Now 9th one. The farmer has ducks, cows, bullocks and pigs. Again, beginning of the sentence, that is the will be in capital letter. Okay, 1 minute. This the will come capital. Okay. Then the farmer has ducks, cows, bullocks and pigs. Name of animals one after the other. So you have to give a comma after ducks, after cows. And at the end of the sentence there is a full stop. So here is your answer. The farmer has ducks, cows, bullocks and pigs. Full stop. Did you get it? Now last sentence. My neighbor's dog bites strangers. Now what are the punctuation marks here? M capital. Okay. Neighbors, S apostrophe S. Okay. Dog bites strangers, full stop. So 3 punctuation mark. M capital, apostrophe S, and at the end of the sentence there is a full stop. So here is your answer. My neighbor's dog bites strangers. So children, have you understood what are punctuation marks and when and where to use a capital letters? I hope you have understood what I have taught you in today's video. Go through the revision videos again and again, and all the best for your exam, students. Take care. Goodbye.